Alright, so this is going to be a review of this Char-Broil Performance 4-burner grill. Look at all these numbers here, I don't understand what that means. But it's one of those cheapy grills that Walmart has. It's basically the same as the ones the other stores do, but it's cheaper. A lot cheaper. You know, they had one that was, it was stainless on the top and the bottom, and it was like $100 more. But this one was on sale. Let's see if I can find it. Bloody hell. This thing weighs 120 pounds. I nearly blew out my back taking it out of the store there. Look at that. Oh, there it is. So this is on sale for $65 bloody dollars there, you know, and I couldn't pass it up. Normal price $200 for the normal price, 65 on clearance. So basically wait till the end of summer. It's not even the end yet, you know. It's what's the month now? It's August, so it's not even the end of summer. We're only halfway through, and you can get crazy deals on these grills. And this is like I said, this is one of these Wally World ones that's it's a lot cheaper. It's a special model they carry. It's black, whatever. So I will go ahead and I guess we'll open it a little bit. Like I said, 120 bloody pounds, almost bloody impossible. And I hate putting these things together. I always try to get the ones that are pre-made, that are put together already at the store. But they didn't have this one. They just had about 6 of the clearance ones in the back on a rack. And I'm like, yeah, for 65, I guess I'll cut up my bloody fingers. A couple of years ago, I put an Aussie grill together with myself, and my fingers, they look like I put them in a blender. You know, they're all cut up and bloody from the steel and all that crap, putting the grill together. But, you know, for $65, what are you going to do? So we'll see what's in here. Hopefully it's not too bad. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of parts. I don't like that. Oh, look at a lot of parts there. Okay. Well, I will save you the trouble. And with the magic of computer editing, I'll show you it finished when I'm done. And just like that magic, the grill is completed. And actually, you know, it was fairly hard to put together, I'll be honest, you know, but better than the last one I did. Yeah, I say it took me about 2 hours to get all the bits done. And, you know, and that's about that. And I think, you know, it's a very big grill, you know. Actually, I like it quite a bit. The more expensive model, like I said, it was stainless here and here. And this one's obviously black and stainless. And that's how Walmart, you know, designates their cheaper model. But, you know, I actually quite like it. It looks like it's more business, you know, more business oriented. You know, it's like camera lenses, you know, if they're silver, you know, they're for amateurs. If they're black, you know, they're for pros, you know. And this knob is huge. I like that. And inside here you can see it has 4 burners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is better quality than my last grill, because these grates are made of cast iron as opposed to the other ones, which are made out of this shite cheap metal material. I guess it's aluminum or steel, I don't know what it is. But so it does have the stainless steel, the iron grates, which hold the heat better. So I like that. It has these big old knobs, which I like. Makes you feel like you're a real man grilling there. You know, you get your big mitts on the knob. It also has an electronic starter, which I like. There's a wee battery inside there. And so it starts up very, very quickly. And you see the flame in there? That was it. Just took one little push on the thing there to get started. And then it has the side burner here. And this also starts very easily. Boom, one push, and there it is. I got flames out. There we go. Nice, nice. Don't want to make things too hot. So like I said, I like the styling of it. It seems to be better made than my last grill. It has the electronic starter. Nice thing here, I like these wee doors to hide where the propane tank is. You don't want to see all that. And it keeps it nice and compact. There's a wee hole for it to go in there. And it has the bigger wheels for moving it around. So you can actually get it going. Which I find with my last one, the wheels are so flimsy, couldn't really move it. And then, what else do I want to mention? Let's see, go around the back. It looks all standard. There's my tank. Oh, there's actually a heavy weight attached under here. I thought there was a nice touch in the design of the unit that they added that to give it a bit of low ballast so it doesn't fall over when you're rolling it. Quite nice. And then the last thing I liked, and I was quite impressed with the design of this, is all grills have this little thing to catch the grease, right? They all do that. In this one, the entire tray underneath the burner actually comes out to clean it. So this whole thing is the surface underneath the burner, and it slides out so you can actually get that done, because it tends to get gunked up under there, if you know what I'm talking about. And it's hard to clean, and so it's nice that they thought of that. I think this is a nice touch. In itself is worth it. I was quite impressed considering how cheap this grill was. I like that. And let's see, it's about that. Get a look at the little thing here. Let's see what we got. Even heat, blah blah blah. Made to last, blah blah blah. I think I talked about all that good. Oh look, there it is. So you know it's a new model. Look, it's new. Or if you want to talk fancy, nouveau. Oh, it's a nouveau grill. Look how great I am. I got my nouveau grillware.
6.5 hours later.